Thanks for watching my second YouTube video. This video is going to be about the supplements that I'm currently taking right now to help heal my gut and cleanse my body. So those supplements are probiotics, digestive enzymes, chlorophyll, zendocrine, L-glutamine, and aged garlic. So if you're interested, stick around. So probiotics are good bacteria in our gut. There's a whole bunch of different strains of the bacteria, and typically if you get a good probiotic, you're going to get a wide variety of those good bacteria. So these good bacteria line the digestive tract and help the stomach digest certain foods. They also help fight off certain infections and certain bad bacteria. Also, I know you're probably wondering where I am. I'm sort of sitting on my porch at home. I couldn't find a good spot to find good lighting, so I figured why not just come outside and, you know, do it outside. Good lighting, right? So the good bacteria in our gut is very susceptible to certain things in our environment and in the food that we eat, and oftentimes we end up killing the good bacteria in our stomach, like I did when I was younger. Things that could kill the good bacteria in your gut are things like GMO food, antibiotics, prescription medicine, birth control, emotional stress, tap water, and even large amounts of sugar. So what I love most about probiotics is that they help the body break down food and absorb the nutrients from the food, and this I think is the most important, because you could be eating, you know, a super healthy diet, and if your gut bacteria is out of balance, then you're not going to be receiving the nutrients that you think you're receiving. And, you know, imagine you're spending all this effort on eating healthy, right? And you're not reaping the benefits properly. So it's very important to have a balanced gut, as I learned the hard way. This is why I am sharing the information that I'm finding, because I want to help anybody who might be in the same position that I am. And yeah, so I take, let me go get it actually. Hold on. Let's go to my house. Yeah. Yeah, this is a probiotic brand that I get. Close up, maybe you can figure it out later. I don't know. I love it because, let's see, it supports digestion and regularity. It's 45 billion probiotics per serving. It's gluten-free, plant-based. It has 16 fermented superfoods. It has noni, goji, and acai. And what else did I love about it? The other ingredients is literally just a vegetarian capsule. That is also the other thing that I really wanted to point out about probiotics, is that there's a lot of not really good brands of probiotics out there. So you really have to do your research and try to find a good probiotic. An example of a not very good probiotic is, I'm not gonna show the brand because I don't know if I don't want to get in trouble or anything, but the other ingredients is microcrystalline cellulose, hydroxyl methyl cellulose, pectin, soda ash, silicon dioxide, stearic acid, guar gum, and turmeric. At least you're getting to work, right? No. Okay. So that's my probiotic, and it has to be refrigerated because it's quality. Okay, let's go back outside. Okay, there you go. So probiotics that's what I take in the morning, every morning. And I also take digestive enzymes if I know I'm gonna be eating something that's heavier, more grainy, typically a lot of carbs like rice, quinoa, any like almond flour, anything like that. Digestive enzymes are actually produced in our pancreas and our small intestine, but sometimes, you know, when our body gets out of whack, doesn't get produced properly, and so you need to supplement. And so I'm taking digestive enzymes, and they help just to break down the food as well. Enzymes are catalysts for reactions. So probiotics and enzymes, and then I am also taking chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants. It is responsible, or it helps with the production of photosynthesis, something about capturing the light and being able to turn it into energy. Not really sure. I'm sure you can Google it if you really were interested. So the interesting thing about chlorophyll is that it actually has the same molecular structure as hemoglobin. And hemoglobin is the molecule in our body that transports oxygen everywhere. Hemoglobin has an iron attached to it, and chlorophyll has magnesium attached to it. Our body can use it, and so when you eat it, it helps with the transport of oxygen, and it's antimicrobial. It helps detoxify the body by actually connecting to toxins, things like pesticides, industrial pollutants, mercury. Mercury is such a big thing. You know, people eat a lot of fish, and you know, everybody knows that fish is contaminated with mercury. And another really great thing about chlorophyll is that it's alkalizing. So if you have a really acidic body, which you can tell if you have heartburn or acid reflux or anything like that, it means your body is acidic, and especially your stomach is too acidic. So you have to eat more alkalizing foods, and chlorophyll is extremely alkalizing. That's why they tell you to eat your greens, because of the chlorophyll. Well, not just because of the chlorophyll, but chlorophyll is one of the main factors. Chlorophyll is actually a really good source of vitamins and minerals too, so you're getting a lot when you supplement with chlorophyll. I'm taking mine in a capsule form because I wanted the capsule to reach down into my stomach and break down there, because it actually has the ability to work at the cellular and molecular level to regenerate cells. And so since I'm trying to regenerate my gut lining, you know, that's very helpful. And just as a bonus, it also maintains intestinal flora, which means it maintains the good bacteria, and it stimulates bowel movements. So, you know, that's always a plus. So those are the 3 things today that I'm going to talk about: digestive enzymes, probiotics, and chlorophyll. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around and watching my second video. Make sure to hit the like button and to subscribe to see my future videos on sendicrine and the aged garlic, and there was one more, the L-glutamine, right, which is amino acid. So very fun stuff. I am also going to talk about essential oils that I'm also taking. There's like 4 or 5, so there's a lot. I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna break it down, but I'll figure it out. Alright guys, so thanks again. Love you. I'm so weird.